We are offering a value-based, balanced, integrated spiritual education. Yoga is a culture, it's a lifestyle. YTTC is all about establishing foundation in the yoga so they can understand how to apply this knowledge towards physical well-being, mental well-being, emotional well-being. I expect student who wants to connect with their inner being, who wants to learn, because we are here not training to teach only outside. We are learning here to teach yourself first. In this 200 hours of yoga teacher training course is we teach them yogic discipline where they can learn physical, metaphysical and spiritual knowledge. Our vision of yoga teachers who have completed the YTTC is to promote health, promote peace and bring more celebration to our life and others' life. Jai!